Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful accent wall with paint. Accent walls are a great way to add interest and personality to any room in your home. They can be created with a variety of materials, but paint is one of the easiest and most affordable options. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right wall. The first step is to choose the right wall. Typically, the accent wall should be the one that draws the eye when you enter the room. This could be the wall behind the bed in the bedroom or the wall opposite the entrance in the living room. Once you've chosen your wall, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Choose your paint colors. Next, you'll need to choose your paint colors. The accent wall should be a different color than the other walls in the room. You can choose a bold color that makes a statement, or a muted tone that complements the existing color palette. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and textures. Step 3. Prep the wall. Before you start painting, you'll need to prep the wall. This involves cleaning the surface, removing any dirt or debris, and repairing any cracks or holes. You can use spackling paste or joint compound to fill in any imperfections, and sand the wall smooth once it's dry. Step 4. Paint the wall. Now it's time to paint the accent wall. Start by painting the edges and corners with a brush, and then use a roller to cover the rest of the wall. Be sure to use long, even strokes, and apply the paint in thin, even coats. You may need to apply 2 or 3 coats, depending on the color and texture of the paint. Step 5. Add finishing touches. Once the paint is dry, you can add some finishing touches to your accent wall. This could be anything from hanging artwork or photos to adding shelving or a wall-mounted TV. Whatever you choose, make sure it complements the paint color and adds to the overall design of the room. And there you have it, a beautiful accent wall that's sure to impress. Remember to take your time, choose the right color, and prep the wall properly before you start painting. With a little effort and creativity, you can create an accent wall that adds interest and personality to any room in your home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.